Alright, we are back again for another matchup here in our NHL 25 season as the Chicago Wolves. Playing once again the Milwaukee Admirals. I feel like we played them quite a few times this first 8 or so games that we've played. But yeah, let's get right into it.
Both teams are lined up and we are set to get things going. The Admirals
It's a face-off here. Alright. Oh, that's not good. You gotta be kidding me. Horrible way to start a game. That was what, the first like 10 seconds on the face-off, and immediately first shot on goal they scored. Yeah, when they pass it like that, figured I was done. Alright, well, we got a long game, but we're definitely starting on the wrong foot, that's for sure.
The Admirals know this rink, they know the bounces, and they benefit jumping out to a 1-0 lead.
And that's the advantage of playing in your home barn, but you have to cash in.
Alright, we won this face-off.
Every inch of the ice to close quickly, and couldn't get a better start than that. Under a minute in the opening frame.
Alright, where do I want to go with it? Feed it around the edge.
Picked up along the boards by Smith.
I don't have anywhere to...
And it's kicked away. Strong use of the body to force the puck loose. Fires a one-timer.
Oh, got the one-timer there.
Chicago's
What are we
got it
doing?
near the point. Big play inside the defensive zone.
It's pinned up against the boards there, most of that.
Chicago's
Oh, this
got
might be a good
something
chance.
back on the offensive
Oh, yeah, there we go.
There it is, his first to the season.
Oh, that one's gonna feel good, James. Anytime you get the first one under your
That was a pretty good goal in my opinion.
precision passing is what leads
And we
to
got
this
the steal,
opportunity, and it wasn't
then
a
the
good
slap
finish,
shot
James.
right in
It
front of the
was a
goalie.
great finish as he just
Put it in that upper left-hand corner of the net. Not upper left-hand corner, but kind of right in the middle, and got the goal. So that was a good one. That was a good goal. Tied it up right away, so
Still in the early stages of this period. And
basically as if nothing ever happened.
the Wolves win it.
Alright, we won the face-off again. Let's take it on off to the right-hand side here. Where I want to go.
And a
Oh,
big
crap.
pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end.
I'm terrible at passing. I always pass it, or try and pass it, and it never goes where I want it to go. It's more on me than the game.
And he takes the feed.
In NHL 10, the last NHL game I
And he moves
got,
it to Kundler. Along the half wall
oh,
with
this
the
might be a
puck.
good chance.
A transition.
Oh! Oh, it was right there! Oh, he could have just tapped it right in, but, yeah, like I was saying, in NHL 10,
Still a lot of
you
time left
press
in the period as
X
they
or
approach the
A.
midway
I had it on the
point.
Xbox
You can
360, and it
feel
would
the energy
immediately
in this
pass it
crowd.
to
It's a tight
the
game.
guy in front of you or in the direction you're facing.
And it goes off a
Now
screen
you
off to
can
the side.
basically move the puck wherever you want to.
Chicago's
Maybe that was just one of my settings that I had.
And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled.
Alright, here we go. Wide open. Ah, wrong person. Again. We're just putting the pressure on like no other. Alright, let's try and get this one time. Oh! Come on! Offsides, okay.
Face-off coming up. Officials are set. Players seem ready. We're ready to get this thing back underway. The Wolves take possession.
Face off again.
Face-off.
Ah. Just threw it in.
Slides the puck over. Bellows plays it along the wall.
Oh, geez, that was a decent shot.
And they'll cover it up, forcing a stoppage in play.
Oh, no. Oh, my gosh.
the save.
All right, now they're upping the pressure. It's pretty even game at this point. I mean, yeah, I've had more scoring chances, I feel like, but
Chicago's got the win off that draw.
definitely a challenge this time around.
Zone.
It's never good when you start down 1-0 within the first 10 seconds of the game. All right, let's get it out of here. Oh, jeez. Okay. Let's get it out of here. We got to get an offensive zone started again. Alright, won the face-off, move it up. Perfect. Feed it around the edge here. Oh, someone I can immediately pass it to. Yeah, we don't have any slap shot chances. Oh, wrong person again. Alright, let's feed it back in. Wait. Oh my gosh! Okay, I thought that one may have had a chance. We'll bring it over. One-timer. Ah, dang it. Hit a guy again. There we go again. Alright. Clear it out a little bit. I was going for the edge, or the wing there. Oh, jeepers.
The Wolves take it along the wing. Chicago's on the attack.
Okay, let's feed it around. There's a one-timer. Oh my gosh! I feel like I'm getting robbed. That shot I feel like has definitely gone in before, but whatever. Let's keep shooting. Eventually one's got to go in, right? Oh my god! Alright, they get it out of there. They're lucky when the goalie falls over like that. If I would have got another shot, that would have definitely gone... Oh my gosh. Would have definitely gone in for me. Definitely went in for them. Alright, we're down again.
That's what you call having a knack for the net, James. When you get in tight and you're sniffing around, you better get that puck off quickly because you know...
Just lost in the defense there. He got right in front of our guy, and then he's right at the net. Goalie couldn't really react. Alright, that's fine. Again, we're only in the first period. It's been a pretty action-packed game so far. Take it up to the right side again. We want to go. Oh! I want to try and get into the end of the period tied up here. Oh, I missed it.
Milwaukee's got the puck against the half wall. There he is in front. Oh, and that one pumps.
All right, let's play it.
He just gets enough of that.
Don't have a lot of time left here.
This is a strong tender. I mean, he's coming off of that shutout performance the last game, and now they're behind the 8-ball, but that save has got to give them some momentum to build upon. You know he can do it if he gets back to that kind of mojo and the way he can play like he did in the last.
Coughs up the puck after that hit.
This might be an icing.
Just out of reach. Puck set down
Yep.
the ice. We'll get an icing. The Wolves have manufactured a lot of chances here in this first period, but they still find themselves trailing late.
All right, that's going to end the period here.
That's it for period number 1. Second period action coming.
All right, we gotta ramp up the pressure offensively. Feel like I had a lot of good shots, but maybe a little bit too much congestion in front of the net. So a lot of time left, though.
The second stanza is underway as the puck is dropped. Let's go. All right, Pounder, how would you assess this game through the first 20 minutes?
Anything I like here.
Chicago's got to be happy with the opening frame, James. I mean, they managed the puck. They own possession time. They just
Oh,
have
dang.
to find a way to convert.
Thought I
They're
would get
trailing
it to
by
it
one.
in
If they
time
can do that,
before.
they'll claw their way back in.
Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Nadeau's carrying it ahead. Slides the puck across to Hinostroza. Hugs the boards through the neutral zone. Puts it on net. Great save.
Let's
Slides
take it
on
over to the
Smith.
left side here.
They go on the
They
attack
left
to the
that
left
open.
side.
Oh, dang.
And that's a smart heads-up play by Hinostroza.
The Monsters are doing a great job of anticipating the play, and that's why the puck is on their stick. They're intercepting pucks all game long. They gotta
Say
make
it every
sure
video,
they
but my
transfer
gosh.
north and start
She
catching
just said the Monsters. Like,
Milwaukee's in transition.
it seems like such a small thing to me, but maybe it's a huge thing.
Taken along the wall by Ryan.
Get the commentary for the team names right.
Passes
It
over to
just
Kundler. Oh, it's a
kinda takes
strong
it out.
save to lose a defender there. Shuts him
All right.
down.
Had a
Gravel's
shot
down in the
there.
defensive end. And a nice poke check
Alright, we
inside
stole
the
it.
neutral
Let's
zone.
try and make something happen.
Moves it to the middle. Couldn't complete the pass.
Just went right by my guy. Alright.
Chicago's got a hold of it against the
Now we've
wall.
established his own at least.
Receives the pass.
They go over.
Quick pass across to
Hi.
Sterling. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot.
Do the same thing here.
Quick pass to Lemieux.
Oh, jeez. Okay, he fell over too.
That's such an athletic save, James. I mean, that's just all about competing, finding a way to get to the puck.
Down the left wing, they gain the zone. Here's a chance. Harris hangs on to
Alright,
the
we'll
puck
kill
to
it.
stop the play.
It's a lot of non-stop play right there. But
The Wolves trail
couldn't
here
get
in
anything
period
in.
number 2, but it hasn't been for
again,
a lack
I
of
feel like
effort.
you're
All
getting
sorts of scoring
decent
chances.
shots.
Chicago's going to start with the puck in their own end. Slavens into the offensive zone now on the attack. Handles the pass in the corner.
Don't have anything I like here.
Chicago's
Switch
working
side.
the puck
Ah,
to the
dang
point.
it. It's
And
what, the
that's
third
out
time
of
I've done
reach
that
and
so
out
far?
of the offensive zone. Unable to reach that one. What a steal in his own end. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves into the slot. Takes it in front.
Couldn't get a shot off in
Slides
time.
it quickly to Weissblatt. Fires it on net. And that goes off a player. Denies him in close.
What a fantastic save from a high-danger scoring area, James. And, I mean, he's bailing his team out. They have to do a better job of protecting the middle of the ice.
Franco's got the puck.
Oh,
Milwaukee's looking to break out.
they hit the
Through the open ice, they're picking
wall
up
at the
steam.
wrong angle there. Just trying to feed it around.
Across the point. Oh, and he somehow got a little piece of it, and it stays out of the net. Lets it go. And the puck
Stopped
dives
it, at
with
least
a
we're gonna
proper
play it.
save. Hangs on to the puck after taking a hit.
Two of our guys got hit, but I think we're going to establish the zone here. Right now we feed it around the wall.
Sends a pass over.
Any
Broken
good
up with
shot
the stick in the
opportunities.
defensive end. The Admirals take it across the line. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Oh, what a save!
Oh,
Well, he makes the save look easy.
I don't know why the AI doesn't attack the puck. Like when it was live in the center of the ice, everyone just held back. I don't know if I'm missing a setting or what, but
Just won it off the faceoff. Slides the puck across to Sterling.
that was pretty well defended.
Solid check, and he loses control.
Right now we have a guy open.
Can't hang on to the biscuit after that.
Oh, we hit the pin.
Hits the outside of the post. Big time stop. Grabs the puck right in front and tries to escape the pressure.
This is a good game. These are the games I like. It's close and the AI is putting up a good fight.
The Wolves have the puck in the corner.
I fell over there, so
Takes the feed. Oh, there's a great stop.
this
by
footing wasn't
Murray.
set or something.
And now he moves it quickly to
Slap shot I wanted.
Hinostroza.
One timer.
Great poke check on the reach.
Alright, we don't have a lot of time left here.
Takes a shot. And that goes off
That wasn't a
course.
good shot.
Passes the puck over to
Starting to get a little nervous and a little desperate. Oh no.
Routine save made by Parrots. Seeley's lugging the puck.
Let's see.
Now a quick pass
Take
to
it over to
Montgomery.
this side.
And he slides it quickly to
Guy right
Cooper.
there.
Handles the puck. Lets it
Shoot
go.
it. Oh!
One last save.
It was right there.
Down and one more still to come. Third period action.
Super
right after
close.
the clean sheet of ice.
Alright, well we got one more period to try and turn this thing around for us. 3 goals the first period, 0 there. I don't think there were any goals in the second period. Yeah, there weren't, so.
Pounders fired up. The players are fired up. And I know you're fired up for the third period. Final frame is
In
underway
the face-off
here.
again.
Well, Pounder, we've played more than 40 minutes now in this one. How do you view
Alright.
things?
The Islanders are getting goalie, James, and this can be so
Just a little bit
frustrating.
to the
Putting a ton of
left.
shots in net, you're getting great scoring chances, but
Get
you
down
just
here.
can't find the back of the net.
Blocked in traffic. Oh, a monstrous hit in the corner there. Moves it to Blankenberg. They've got the defense outnumbered. Shot denies him.
I like
Okay.
to save James because he challenges
Oh,
the
freeze
shooter
it.
who's all alone in the slot area. He
Pretty
turns
even on
aside a
shots
real
on
dangerous
goal.
opportunity.
Got 17 to their 15.
Lots of time left in this period. The Admirals lead at 2-1 in what has been an entertaining game thus far. Josts won the draw deep in the defensive zone. The Wolves
Doing good on the
across
face-offs.
blue line. Takes the puck at the point. Quick feed to Smith. Gets in
Yeah,
front
that
of the
wasn't a
shot.
great shot.
Oh, just a great heads-up play by Hinostroza. Quick shot! Comes up with the stop. Milwaukee's got possession of the puck. Too much congestion in front. Milwaukee's going to play it along the blue line.
We gotta get out of here.
Chicago's regained possession of the puck.
Oh, we got lucky, I feel like. That was a
Through
lot
the
of
neutral
congestion
zone
in
now,
front of our
picking up
net.
steam. Here's a shot, and that caroms right off the mask. Hammers it on net. Oh, it's another save on the play. And down he goes as the puck goes free. And look at this.
Ah, dang,
He
okay,
turns
now
it
they're all in
into a
front.
Pressure cooker.
I feel like we're getting robbed in a sense.
Looking, and that doesn't go as it's blocked.
Oh no. Alright.
Look at this. They are swarming around like bees here in the ozone. Streaking into the attacking zone from the right. The Wolves take possession in the defensive end. Stillman stick handling in his own zone. Looks to pass it to Slavin. Carries the puck through the neutral zone.
Halfway through,
And they'll go the other way with
it's
it.
under halfway through the period. We don't have a lot of time
And he
left.
loses control here. Chicago's got a hold of it along the wall.
Let's move it up.
Pass over to Slavin.
Slow
The
it down
Wolves
here.
looking
We'll
against
feed
the
it
half
around.
wall. Picked up along the boards by Sweeney.
Don't have any
Feeds it over.
right here. No, wrong person.
Stops that one. Quick blast.
Ah, I keep hitting them right in front of the net.
Nice zone entry from the right side. The Admirals will play it from the corner.
What on earth was
Oh,
that?
misfires. That goes right out of the zone. Murray's got
we got
it.
a face-off on
There's
their
a little
end.
strategy involved as he opts for the whistle.
Well, yeah, I think he needs a rest, but it's also about game management. Listen, the only reason why they're winning this game is because he has been electric and dynamic between the pipes.
Grabbed along the board.
Yeah,
by
well, they won that
Gaizo.
face-off. Oh,
And he slides it quickly to Weisblatt.
chance to take it right in front of their net.
Fires it. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one.
Gotta kill it here.
The goaltenders are the
Game's
last
too
line of
close to
defense
take
for
a
a
risk
reason.
like
This
that.
time, he bails his team out.
Chicago's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. The Admirals win that offensive zone face-off. And the shot dies in the traffic
Oh
jam.
no, crap.
The Admirals gain control of the puck. Scooped up along the wall by Angelo. Oh, stick save and a beaut.
You have to be quick in your
We're under
crease if you
siege
wanna
right
be able
now.
To deny low zone shots. He does that perfectly as he's tight to the shooter right there.
Well past the midway mark of this period, Milwaukee's got a slim lead. They lead it 2-1. Chicago's got a hold of the
Alright,
puck.
we won the face. Oh, crap.
Milwaukee's got possession here in the offensive zone.
Schaefer's so effective in the O-zone. I mean, he knows how to...
You've got to be kidding me. What happened there? I thought our goalie had it.
Well, it feels like
That might have been the final nail in the coffin. We don't have a lot of time left.
Well, he had his eyes on the puck. He tracked it perfectly and got himself set to position, James. I thought he had it. He got a good chunk of it, but he didn't get it all.
Trying to figure out what happened. Okay, so he takes the shot. Got it stopped. And he kicked it in. Ah, that sucks.
Feel pretty good about where they're at now here in this third period, Cheryl.
I've liked their game this entire game, James. Right from the puck drop, they've been aggressive on the puck, and they can't change
No,
it
can't
now.
win them
They've gotta
all, but
continue to finish the way they
there's still
started.
some time left. Maybe we can hope for a miracle.
Moves it around along the half wall. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Now over to Nadeau.
Turn it around.
Chicago's got the puck
Where's my
along the
help?
wall.
Where's my help?
Can't maintain possession. Puck grab by Wagner. Smith's walking the line. And that's blocked. Taken along the wall by Jost. And that ricochets off a twig in front. Still has possession. Puck scooped up by Wilsby. Taken by Marino.
Oh, come on.
Glove save made by Parrots.
Oh, I accidentally pressed the wrong button there. I was not meaning to play it, but hey, it worked out.
There, James. They're showing their chemistry and their reason why they're in the lead in this game.
Steps inside the attacking zone down the left wing. Rocked him in the open ice. And another hit. The human buzzsaw is in full effect on the ice tonight here, Cheryl.
Certainly is, and if you're the opponent, man, your head's gonna be on a swivel. You're gonna be knowing when he's coming, and you may shy away from the puck.
From the point, looks to make something happen. The Wolves get a hold of the puck along the boards. Chicago's got control.
Oh, we only have a minute left.
The Wolves played along the boards. Slides it across. Under
Right there. Oh, crap.
Hammers the shot. What a close save by Murray.
Got it.
Of this period.
I don't know how much time we have. How do I pull my goalie? You know what? We're gonna do it. Pulling the goalie.
Chicago's won the draw.
Won the face-off.
Here's a shot, and too much traffic in front blocks that one.
Got our help.
Looks to set up at the point.
Oh no! Oh, they got it. You gotta get it back.
Sacrifice on the block. Chicago's got him along the wall. Oh, you might call that
Oh
friendly
crap!
fires against
This isn't good.
his teammates. A shot into the yawning cage.
They got the empty net. All right, so they won this one. It wasn't a total blowout, but we did get wrecked here, 4-1. Alright, well, let's just get this game over with and we'll move on to the next one.
And off the draw,
They won the face-off.
And the fans on their feet recognizing a solid victory here in front of them. And they win the draw.
They won the face-off. Oh crap, that was a horrible pass. Let's get it out of here. All right, that's going to do it. Second loss of the season, and this was the worst loss we've had, but it's fine. I like these games where it's difficult, but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. We're going to be back again. I think we're playing the Admirals again in the next game, so I will see you in the next video.
Well, a fun night of hockey comes to an end, but guess what, everybody? There's always next time, and we will see you then. For Cheryl Pounder, I'm James Cebulski. Thanks for playing.